When it comes to snacking, are you reaching for chips, cookies, or candy? Imagine if there were snacks that not only tasted great, but also had zero carbs and sugars. Well, the wait is over. Welcome to Healthy Happy Habits, where we explore the best in healthy snacking. Before we dive into the world of guilt-free snacking, we have a quick request. If you're passionate about improving your health and wellness journey, and you're keen on discovering more about nutritious snacking options, then this is the channel for you. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Join our community of health enthusiasts and never miss an update. We're here to guide you towards healthier, happier habits, one snack at a time. Now let's get back to our countdown, and remember, your road to a healthier lifestyle is just a click away. Starting off at number 9, we have nuts. Almonds, walnuts, pistachios. These aren't just delicious, they're also nutritional powerhouses. Packed with healthy fats and proteins, they make for a satisfying snack that keeps you going throughout the day. Coming in at number 8, we have a crunchy, refreshing option, veggie sticks with guacamole. Low in carbs, high in fiber, veggies like cucumber, celery, and bell peppers are perfect for dipping. And the guacamole? That's just a tasty, healthy bonus. At number 7, we're talking about hard-boiled eggs. These are a true nutritional powerhouse. Rich in protein and healthy fats, they're easy to prepare and versatile enough to enjoy at any time of the day. Number 6 brings us to cheese. Cubes or slices, it doesn't matter. Cheese is a delicious and satisfying low-carb snack. With so many varieties to choose from, there's always a new flavor to discover. And at number 5, we have Greek yogurt with berries. Choose plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt and pair it with low-carb berries. This snack is a sweet treat that doesn't come with the guilt of added sugars. We're halfway through our list and we've got 4 more incredible snacks to share. Remember, these aren't just tasty treats. They're also helping you live a healthier, happier life. We'd also love to hear your favorite low-carb snacks, so drop a comment below and share your top picks. And that's it for this episode. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll be counting down the final 4 snacks on our list. Until then, keep snacking smart and remember, healthy habits lead to a happy life.